Here we have a 71 plate BMW M340i XDRIVE. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the M Sport brake calipers in red. We do have the blue metallic exterior paintwork, the LED headlights, we have the full M Performance kit including the gloss black front splitter. There's a look at the front end. This vehicle also comes with the comfort package. Round to the passenger side you find the second alloy wheel, again unmarked, just down there. And taking a step back you find the side skirts along the bottom, colour coded door handles, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the shark fin antennae up top along with the rear spoiler lip on the tailgate, which is power operated. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and a reversing camera as well. And round to the rear you find the dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser, M340i badging on the tailgate. And making our way round to the driver's side again, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So take a look now at the interior. If you have a look at the back you find the full black leather interior, foldable armrests and the fixed ISO points. We have the M Sport style seat belts, climate control for the rear passengers, ambient lighting on the doors and also the electric windows. Again at the front we have the same full black leather interior. Both front seats are heated. We have the electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights and again with the ambient lighting. We do also have the multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters either side, digital dash in front of us, put our foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up for us. As you can see we are free from any warning lights other than letting us know about the low fuel. We do have the heat steering wheel, so press this button just here and it will activate, as you can see just there on the dashboard. We've got the speedometer and the cruise control. We also have the high beam assist on that stalk. We've got the main screen in the centre. If we go onto the settings you find the interior ambient lighting just here, as you can see. We do also have the sat nav navigation. We have a range of media such as the radio stations. We have the Spotify and the Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls, and we do also have all these apps which are currently installed along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Intelligent safety system just here, making it a very safe vehicle to drive, and we do also have the reversing camera if we put it into reverse. Further down you'll find the heated seat buttons either side, ice cold air conditioning with the climate control as well, all working as they should do, with the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes just here, auto hold button and the electric handbrake, nice leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.